Hey, it's Jeff. Let's go catch some fish.
Alright guys, we're out here. It's 40 degrees, it's raining, it's cold, it was windy, and let's catch some fish. Right now I'm chucking an inline spinner out, just the Meps Agly along. The fish are in that pre-spawn right now. They're trying to fatten up before the spawn, and they're looking to eat something that is agitating them. Now I'm just reeling this thing back slow. I mean, it's flashy, it's slow, and hungry bass or hungry pickerel sees that and they're just gonna go chomp chomp. A lot of birds out right now playing in the rain. Oh, got something. Oh yeah, buddy. I was shooting for big pickerel. I think I might have a big bass though. Yeah, not a bad way to start, guys. Not a bad way to start. All right, yeah, buddy. So you probably weigh about a pound and a half, maybe. Yeah. Oh, 1.63. Y'all see that? All right, cool. Let's kiss that fish. Thanks, buddy. Bye. What's everybody's favorite lure to fish in the rain? Early spring, mid-spring. Rain's starting to pick up. Oh, here we go. First cast over in this spot. Slow it down there, buddy. This thing wants to jump. There's the bass. Pickerel. All right. Nice, guys. 2 up. All right. Say hi. Hi. A little something in his belly. Kiss the fish, I guess. Bye. We're gonna chuck that spoon over there. See if anybody's gonna say hello. Whoa. Oh, hello. Got one. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, this is a real good one. Oh yeah, stay down, buddy. Oh, he's not giving up. Oh, he is not giving up. Hey there, you. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, come on, get in the net. In the net. Yeah, buddy. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, that's gonna be like a 2-pound pickerel right there. Nice. All right, let's see. Oh, just that can't be right. 7 pounds. Yeah, my butt. Let's try that again. I think that's 1 pound, guys. 1 pound, 0.8, 1.8. Cool. You are bleeding, but you are just under 20. All right, kiss that fish. Mwah. See him go away. Goodbye. All right, I'm fishing in the super shallows right now. But for me, that means about 8-10 inches. Oh, there we go. Yeah, buddy. This is something good. A nice pickerel. Yeah. Alrighty. This one's been eaten recently. Yeah. What do you think, guys? Maybe. There you go. Oh. Come on. 16.5. Thank you. Kiss that fish. Mwah. Oh, right on the lip. Oh, hey, no, oh, double hitter. We can do that again. Yeah, oh. Come on, man. There we go. I knew there was somebody at the boat. I don't know if you saw what I just did right there, but I just did a little figure 8 right at the boat. And that was enough to get him to take it. All right. Another one with little black spots on it. See ya. Hit it a bunch of times and I finally committed right at the end. Oh, here we go. Oh. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe.